this most basic price movement always triggers the long for me. Let's go to the chart. So it's just this movement triggers a long for me. You can draw it different. It happens a lot. Let's go look to some examples on the chart. I recently opened a trade because of it. If we go to the 4 hours, always zoom out first, work your way to the lower time frame. I draw this box. So below in this box, you want to look for the longs because you have the most reward to the upside in this area, obviously, because you can go up more than, let's say, right here. It's only 10%, but if we are here, I mean, it's maybe a bad example, but you know, so in this box, you look for that pattern. So let's zoom in. So this is the play I recently did. This is the pattern. Down, up, bam. So I didn't enter right here. Why not? Because I wanted a better RR, risk reward. So I saw the gain of this level. It's clearly gained, open and close above. So I didn't want to enter right here because I wanted to put my stop loss below this level. So I saw this liquidity, bam, enter. This was my position. I'm still in this position. So, well, it's easy to talk afterward. Yes, I know. I'm going to show you more examples. This happens a lot. It happens all the time, even on the higher time frame. What is this, guys? What is this? It's exactly the same thing happening here. Gain, so you go something like this, bam, gain. You can go long there. So the same thing happens on the low on the 1 minute down here. Also happens here. Bam. It's just that simple, guys. But the more down you are, the more low in the range you are, the better chance of it being a good trade. Because the reward to the upside is just way higher, and that's what you want. Because this one trade, I can get stopped out 5 times and still be profitable. Because this one trade is just a very good trade. My TPs are in my pocket, take profits. I took them. I still have a little bit open. It's just enough, guys. It's enough. So when I see this pattern, I always hop into the trade. Let's see some more examples. Even this, guys, it doesn't have to look exactly like this. No, it can be something like this. It's actually spot on. So, bam, enter, or enter here, stop loss down here, bam, go. Very nice trade. Doesn't matter what happens next. This is a good trade. All right, let's go next. Even here. Go down, go down, go down. Up. You gain this. Long position, or this one was difficult to spot, but if you went long here, that didn't stop you out. 2.7%. I'm on a 50 minutes. I should go back to 1 minute because on the 50 minutes they occur, on the 4 hour they occur, on the daily, on the weekly, on the 1 minute, on the 15 second. You can always make this play on any time frame, guys. Let's go to the 4 hours. I'll show you an example. Exactly this pattern, guys. It's happening here. Down, bam. We gained it. Can go long. Filled already. Bam. I don't know what happens next. It doesn't matter. You just play the trades. Go walk the walk, guys. Just put out them trades. You have to do it. If you want to become a trader, spot the setup, play it, guys. It also works the other way around. Same setup. Like this. Up, up, up. No, that's wrong. Up, up, down. Short, bam. Because you lost that level instead of gaining. You lost it. So that activates the short. Oh, it's just like that. Let's put some other setups. I want to be down here. Oh yes. Does this activate? Very nice, very nice. What happens here, guys? It's exactly the same thing. Bam, long. Stop loss down there. It's that easy. I'm going too fast. I'm going to show this slow. It is not a pattern because it looks different every time, but it is just losing momentum, gaining the recent high. So gaining this activates a long position for me. I will go in anytime, any moment, any time frame. It doesn't matter. I love this play. This is my most profitable play. Also the other way around, the short play. I love it. So, for example, let's go to the long position. If this happens right here, I will put my maybe here target. Something like this is my target. Stop loss will be below. Well, this risk reward is not so nice. It's only 1.85. So I want at least like 2.7, 2.5. The 3, we aim for 3, but sometimes we don't get 3. So I would play it like this. Maybe even a little bit lower. I would be spot on filled or I wouldn't. This volume node would be my entry in this position. Easy to say, I know. But just do it, just spot it in real time. I spotted the last trade in real time too. And here I can go to unlimited. Bam, gain this, activate that. Was this a gain actually? Let's go take a closer look. I mean, it's choppy. Even lower time frame, guys. I didn't even see it because I wasn't zoomed in enough. Down, down, up. It's just a small uptrend activated. You just go. And if you want more confirmations, the more confirmations, the better. You wait for this one. But remember, guys, if you are in position here or here, there's a huge difference to the upside. 0.8. Enough, guys, enough. I make profit when it's 0.88. I still make profit. It's not much, but I make profit. It's fine. Let's remove all the drawings I did. Let's remove the rectangle. So let's go some more examples on the 1 hour. Let's go to this price. Very nice. Here again. Go down. Bam. Activated. And why? Why does sometimes the entry occurs up here and not all the way down here? You just have to look for the confirmations, guys. Go back in the price, go back in time, and just see what's the highest probability. But remember, if your entry is here, the reward to the upside is higher, but you might not always get filled. It's also the sentiment. Are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? In a bear market, you are not aggressive. You take TPs early. In a bull market, you are very aggressive. You take profits later. So When do you know you're in a bull market or a bear market? Well, if you are aggressive with your entry and you get stopped out a lot, you go defensive. If you go defensive but you never get filled, you go aggressive. You don't know beforehand what is the best. Of course, when you put out those trades, you know, you just feel. That's stupid. You never feel in trade, but you know, because you see the chart, you read it, you know when to go aggressive or defensive. But if you don't know it yet, you think, I see the pattern, I see it right here. What do we do? Go aggressive or defensive. Just do what you think is best. See what happens. Document it. Do it every day, every few days. I don't know. Do what suits you best, and change it into a winning strategy. You cannot start trading and be winning and profitable. You have to adjust your strategy. You have to learn. But this pattern, pretty easy, guys. If you cannot master this, I don't know. So, how long? It's been 11 minutes. We can go a little bit more. Again, guys. Price goes down. Price goes down. Gain. Bam, entry. It's that simple, guys. We are on the 1 hour, so every time frame is perfect for this. That's so nice about it. Even the 15. Let's go to the 15 seconds. 15 seconds. I'm just randomly in the chart. This is now. Let's go to. We spot the setup here. This one? Yes. Fine by me. It doesn't look textbook, but fine by me. Even this one, I would not play it, but well, maybe why not? You gain this, you even gain this. I would not play this because this is too low volume, but even there, guys, it's so simple. Spot, trade, spot the setup, play the trade, place your stop loss. Always use a stop loss. See what happens. Just do it. Do it over and over and over again. Collect the data. Collecting the data is really important. You cannot become profitable without collecting the data. So how do you collect the data? Well, that's for another video. For now, I can keep doing this all day. Keep spotting the setups. Okay, one more. Guys, come on. 15 seconds. What do you want more? Okay, I hope I learned you something today. We will talk about this a lot more because this is just free money, guys. It's not just about this pattern. You have to see where you are in the chart. I'm not going like this. Oh, I see the pattern. Oh, let's go long. I'm looking for are we on support? Are we on resistance? I mean, yeah, if it's in a bad place in the middle of the range, and I spot that trade, I will play it with a 0.5% risk. I usually always put 1% risk, but in the middle of the range, I see the setup. I go for 0.5%, maybe even a quarter, because it's too fun to play, guys. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.